afternoon whenever you're watching this, but it's the morning for me. It's just gone past 10 o'clock. Having an early morning. Got up around 8:30 because Daisy decided to jump on my bed and smother me in kisses, so that's why I was up so early. So I'm going to go for a shower and I need to tidy my room. This is pretty much a spring clean with me, but over the weekend I was gonna film some videos or do this vlog pretty much, but I was not feeling up to it. It's not a soy, it's just very uncomfortable. All honesty, it's just wax, yeah, and it's uncomfortable. So that is why I've got this in, because I'm about to go for a shower and I don't want to get water in my ear. I need to tidy my room, and it's actually sunny for once. It might be windy, but it's actually sunny. We've not had sun for the past couple of days. If you have not started your spring cleaning yet, pop this video on. Well, it's already on, but pop this video on a big TV or your iPad or your phone, whatever you watch YouTube on while you're cleaning your room. Do that and join me in cleaning your room for spring. So I'm dressed now and it doesn't look like my hair just came out the shower, but I did have a shower. But I went on a walk with my dad today, and then when I came back I got stuff put in my ear. I need to get more stuff put in my ear to help it get better. But for now I'm going to start the spring cleaning eventually. I also played Sims 4. I didn't want to film anything else because I wanted to proper declutter my room, even though it's 5 o'clock. I'm going to try my best, but we're going to start with the desk and we're just going to go from there. But actually I need to move the ladders that are in my room. I also want to show you some things that I got yesterday pretty much. And I'm hoping when I do finally edit this video, I am not yelling because I can't really hear right now. My ear feels echoey. So I'm just going to jump into the time lapse of sorting that corner over there and then going to the desk. Tried my very best to tidy it underneath my bed, and I've done my mirror and done this corner. Now onto the desk. Now I just wanted to sort that corner before I went onto my desk because I'm going to sort out my drawers as well. So let's do this. this is a mini haul now of everything I got yesterday and 2 books I got a couple of weeks ago. Now I am going to do a part two of this spring cleaning, but my ear is hurting and I want to just relax because I've got work early in the morning. So there might be a part 2 of this spring cleaning over the weekend or throughout the next week. So stay tuned for that. But I got my first ever Kylie lip kit set. Kylie Jenner lipstick and lip liner set. And this is what it looks like on my lips. So that's that. And then I got these trousers. I can't really show you fully, but they're like cuffed. Well, they're not like cuffed, they are cuffed. And then they've got, what is going on? So now that I've sorted that, these are what they look like. They are from the Pink Vanilla brand from New Look. And I know that's the most expensive brand in New Look, but I love it. Most of the clothes I buy from New Look are Pink Vanilla or just the vanilla brand in general. I love it. There was also a bear top that had like a bear with like golden gems on it, and it was so cute, and it would have went so well with these. But these were £28 in their sale. So I did spend a lot of money that day, but I thought I would treat myself because I was not having a good weekend with this ear pain. Well, it's not even pain, it's just uncomfortable. So these are the 2 books I have recently purchased. I am still on to the other book, but up until my ear gets better, I'm not really. I might read tonight, I don't know. But I have been trying to read most nights prior from my ear hurting. Because I don't really read during the day. I don't know why. I'm more a person who reads during the night. Like before I go to bed, I'll read before I go to sleep. That makes sense? When I go to bed, I'll read and then I'll go to sleep. So my sister actually got me this one, but I paid $1, so I technically got it. The TikToker that you all probably know. But I got her Me versus My Brain, an Overthinker's Guide to Life. And if you know me, I'm probably the most overthinking person ever, and I need this. Like, I genuinely overthink about everything. So some of the chapters are like how brain instruments a text exchange, weird lies I told about my rabbit. Some of them are just random things like about her life, but then some are like how to get over a breakup, brain versus healthy anxiety, brain versus poop. Don't ask why. I didn't write this book. Brain versus flying, buying a coffee. So the sounds of it is, it's like everything you would overthink in this book. Me and brain, me versus therapy, brain versus date, me versus grief, dad versus brain, brain versus gut, and stuff about that. Just everything like that. So it sounds like it's going to be a really good book. I'm sorry if I don't sound like I'm making sense. I can't hear myself that well right now. I need to go and get drops in my ears. And then I got this book from Asda, You Do You. It is, you deserve the absolute world, even if right now you don't think you do. You are enough and you can change your life and make a fresh start if you want it. I did it and so can you. One of the social media's largest and most loved voices, I can't say her name, hasn't always had it easy, but through self-care, community, and a bit of kitchen dancing, she grandly learned to love herself again. But this is what it looks like. And again, it just sounded like a really good book. And that is everything I've got lately. So I hope you enjoyed the spring cleaning and mini haul. Like I said, there will be a part 2 to the spring clean with me, because I'm definitely not finished, but I'm definitely not over this earache, and I can't do so much at once because then my ears start hurting. So I'm gonna go and chill out and get some eardrops in. I will see you with the next video being part 2 of spring cleaning with me. It'll be an update on my ear as well. Hopefully my ear will be better by then. And also, if I feel up to it tomorrow, I might go to B&M. So you'll also get a little B&M vlog at some point. Bye.